the earth, full of natural beauties. Give us hopes to live, to feel the beauties. But there is another face of the nature, the natural calamities. Among all of the calamities, flood is a major concern for the human life to live. Around 1.47 billion people face flood risk each year globally. Among them, about 1.36 billion are Southeast Asian people. So Bangladesh faces flood and many disastrous events take place in this country each year. Flood is one of the deadliest natural disasters. In the year of 2020, death due to drowning accounts for 75% of deaths in flood disaster globally. A total amount of $21 million of crops and livestock production loss occurred globally between year 2008 to 2018. People living in floodplains are most vulnerable to floods. It is high time we should take necessary steps to prevent the effects of flood.
Now, a question arises. How we can prevent flood? Dam and reservoir can be a good solution to prevent the disastrous effect of flood. It collects and holds water. Dams are mainly constructed for the purpose of flood control, irrigation, and power generation, while the flood controlling purpose has always been underestimated. But using dam and reservoir, flood can be controlled in a great extent. So, for the construction of the dam, the proposed concrete materials are sawdust ash as a partial replacement of OPC, fine aggregate, and coarse aggregate.
But why do we use sawdust ash as a partial replacement of cement? Sawdust is an organic waste resulting from the processing of timber into various shapes and sizes. This dust is normally used as domestic fuel, and there the ash of the sawdust is produced. Experiment shows that the uses of sawdust ash as 10% partial replacement of OPC in a concrete mixer does have the same physical behavior as a conventional concrete, and also some significant physical and chemical properties is seen. It is a great advantage because due to partial replacement of cement, the carbon dioxide emission will be reduced. A survey shows that 8% of worldwide carbon dioxide emissions is caused by the production of cement in the cement industries. And the most shocking thing is that 1 ton cement produces 780 kg of carbon dioxide.
This huge amount of carbon dioxide emission can be reduced by using SDA as a partial replacement of cement in this concrete mixture. So, our goal is to make the people come out of preventable effect of flood, as well as reducing the emission of carbon dioxide, reuse of sawdust as partial replacement of OPC, repairing the nature, and it can be expressed by 4 R's. Reduce, recycle, reuse, repair. We want people living safely in this beautiful world.